Hey everybody, and Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Day, and look what I got from Christmas from my son and my wife. A Ryobi 1 10-inch chainsaw that takes their Ryobi 1 battery packs. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing. Around my yard I have a bunch of tulip poplar trees, and they're always dropping branches, and instead of firing up the full-size chainsaw that I keep the gas out of and have to fill gas in it, I was thinking about buying one of these for myself, but they beat me to it. So let's do a little unboxing. Like I said, this is the Ryobi 1 battery, powers outdoor tools, power tools, fastening, lighting, audio, plumbing, cleaning, and floor care tools. And we have a bunch of the drills and the sawzalls, and they all seem to work pretty good. So let me pass the camera over to, or you want to open it?
Oh, okay.
All right, G Junior's going to go ahead and open it up. It even comes with a nice blade protector, as you see it sticking out. All right, so here we go. Open it up.
Warranty information.
All right, all the information. And then, okay, I think we have to lift this out first. All right, I go ahead and lift the saw out. All right, and there it is. Let's get the box out of the way. So that comes off. There we go. Set it down. All right, so as you know, chainsaws, they require oil. It's got a vent cap, and on this one here, it's not an automatic oiling. I can already tell you have to push on the cap, and that squirts oil onto the chain. So like I said, this is all a 10-inch chainsaw. Let's here, grab the saw. Let's go ahead and pull the blade protector off. That is actually really nice. It keeps the blade, you know, protected so you don't get caught on it. Let's see. It already started shaving it down a little bit. I put it on there right? Yeah, I put it on there right. There we go. Okay. So let's I don't have any bar and chain oil here, but I do know that a lot of the bar and chain oil now is vegetable based. So I have a little bit of vegetable oil, and we'll go ahead and we're just going to put a little bit of vegetable oil. Go ahead and pour some vegetable oil, and you've got a nice sight glass here, so you can see how much oil you have in there. All right, stop right there. Let me see what it does. Oh, that almost filled it up. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of oil. So there's that. And we have two different types of batteries. So we'll probably be using the 4-amp-hour battery in this one. So let's put that in there. Go ahead and get that in there, G. It's in, wasn't it?
Yeah, now,
right.
now it went in.
Go ahead and pull the safety cover off. All right, let's go ahead and push the oil a little bit. I don't think we're going to be able to see the oil come through.
Really pump it?
Yeah, pump it a few times. Let's see if we get any oil coming out. All right, well, that's good enough for now. All right, so lift it up. So I do believe you have to pull the safety back and now pull the trigger. There we go. All right, hold on, let's see. Flip it this way a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, we're not getting any oil yet.
Probably got to really pump it. Probably have to put more oil in it, maybe.
We might have to put more oil in it, but give it another hit again.
Maybe? No.
No, not yet. Well, here, let's, you know something, let's just go ahead and fill it up the rest of the way. Even though that looks pretty full, there is a hole in here in the cap. And it's not going to take much more, probably. Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. I said whoa. All right, I can see it coming up. All right. Okay, now it's coming out. Yeah, go ahead and wipe that all up. Probably because it wasn't full all the way. There was too much air in it. All right. Go ahead and wipe the bottom and wipe the table there, please. All right, well, it's definitely working now. I think. Yeah, it's definitely working. It's dripping. Okay, well, what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and give it a try. So let us get out in the yard, and we've got a nice limb that we can try cutting up, so we'll be right back. All right, G Junior wants to be the first one to try it out. So he's all ready. We have a piece of wood here in our wagon. All right, go ahead, put us in the bag. All right, well, you know, it's definitely faster than using a Sawzall, and we'll have to see how long the battery lasts. I'll take and make another video to actually, here, let's just go ahead and cut it again. Alrighty, well, I think that the Ryobi 10-inch 1+ battery powered saw is going to be a win. It does what it says. You know, it's not as fast as a gas powered chainsaw, but for a battery saw, it seems to be doing fine. No problem so far. You can see it's dripping some vegetable oil, which is fine. Go ahead and give it another push. You probably should pump it a little bit when you're using it. All right. All right, everybody. Well, I think I'll leave it at that. Looks like it's going to be very helpful around the yard here, cutting up the branches that always fall. All right, everybody. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the and more part of my videos.